Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to this video about making roasted pork that stays juicy inside and crisp outside. Learn simple cooking tips and techniques. Stay with us. Great roasted pork should feel like two foods at once. Juicy and tender in the center, browned and a little crisp on the outside. When it is right, every slice tastes seasoned, not just the edges. When it is wrong, dinner turns into damage control. The meat dries out, the flavor stays on the surface, and the skin, if you bought it, turns rubbery. Another common snag is picking the wrong cut, then wondering why the timing never matches the recipe. This guide keeps it simple for busy home cooks. You will learn which cut to buy for the result you want, a no-fuss method that builds real flavor, and the key internal temps and rest times that stop guesswork. Start with the right cut, because roasting works differently for each one. Roasting pork is not one size fits all. A lean pork loin behaves nothing like a pork shoulder. One wants careful timing, the other wants patience. So before you think about rubs and pans, decide what success looks like on your plate. Neat slices, pull apart meat, or crackling that shatters when you tap it. Thickness matters more than exact weight. A thick, compact roast takes longer than a flatter one, even if both weigh 4 pounds. That is why a thermometer beats any minutes per pound rule. Best cuts for roasted pork: shoulder, loin, tenderloin, belly, and what each is good for. Pork shoulder Boston butt has plenty of fat and connective tissue. As it roasts longer, that tissue softens and turns silky. It is forgiving and perfect for shredding. Use lower heat for most of the cook, then finish hotter for color. Pork loin is leaner and milder. It shines when you want clean slices for sandwiches or dinner plates. Because it dries out fast, roast it at moderate heat and pull it at the right temperature, not when it looks done. Pork tenderloin is the leanest and quickest. It is more like chicken breast than shoulder. Roast it hot and fast, and watch the thermometer closely. Pork belly is rich, dense, and naturally juicy. It is great when you want crisp skin in smaller portions. It can handle longer roasting, especially if you like a softer, almost confit-like bite under the crackle. A quick way to remember it: fatty cuts like shoulder and belly like time. Lean cuts like loin and tenderloin like accuracy. What to look for at the store: fat cap, skin on, and how much to buy. Look for a roast with even thickness so it cooks evenly. Avoid pieces with huge gaps, deep cuts, or fat trimmed down to nothing. A modest fat cap helps with moisture and browning, even if you do not eat much of it. If you want crackling, you need skin on pork. Also, the skin must be very dry before it hits the oven. No dry skin, no crunch. That is the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will learn more tips for perfect roasted pork. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.